Happy New Year, everyone. Welcome back to Samira Z Fashion Channel, home of trendy styles. You are welcome back to my channel. Thank you for always watching. And if you are new to my channel, you are welcome. Please remember to subscribe, share, and like my videos. Turn on your notification bell to be notified when I upload a new video like this. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you guys how to make a crop top with a puff sleeve.
Welcome back to my channel. This is Samira Z Fashion. So today we are making a top dress that is a crop one. So this is the fabric that we are using to make it. As you can see, it's very fine, very beautiful, and we are going to make a beautiful style from it. So now this is it. We are folding it now. So remember to fold when cutting. So this is it. And I want to fold it to the measurement that I want. So that is it. So now we'll start with our measurements. As a crop top, don't need to be too long. So I'm stocking it this way. We will start from the shoulder side, like the upper side. So this is it. So our length that we are using on this top is 18, because it's a crop top that we are trying to make out of this fabric. 18. So I'm chalking it to get the length of that 18. So this is the length now. I've chalked it. So we start with the body measurements. So now we start with the shoulder. The shoulder is 16. So you divide 16 by 2. What will it give you on table? Is 2. So you have 8 when dividing 16 by 2. So you now remember to add your allowance for the sewing. So you add, I'm adding 1 inch. So everything here is 9. So that is it. We've gotten the shoulder. So now from the shoulder to the armhole, I'm marking 8. So this is it. That is the chop there. So that is where we will now start with our bust measurement. The bust measurement is 36. So I'm marking 36. So when marking 36, or when chopping your 36, you divide it by 4. So divide 36 by 4. What will it give you? It will give you 9 on your table. So that is it. I've marked it. And remember to add your allowance. So I'm adding 2 for it to be in a safer side. I'm marking 2 to get my allowance. So now you now connect from the shoulder line to get your armhole where you have your bust measurement. So this is the armhole now, and that is where we got our bust measurement. So that is the bust measurement line now, as you can see. So now we go to the waistline. That is where everything will stop, because it's a crop top. So our crop top measurement of the waist is 30. So you divide 30 by 4. Divide 30 by 4. What will it give you? It will give you 7.5 on your table, and you mark. And remember, we are trying to make some little gathers on that waist at the end. So we'll now add, I want to add 2.5 to it for us to get that our free gather that I want to make there. And now add your 2-inch allowance. So I've added it, my 2-inch allowance, my 2.5 allowance that I will use to gather at the hemline of the top that we are making. So that is just it. So you connect. I'm connecting it now. Yes, tie the line now. So this is it. So don't forget to slant your shoulder. So I'm marking 3 on the neck. I'm chalking 3 on the neck. So remember to slant. So I'm slanting it with 1/2 inch from the shoulder. I'm slanting it with 1/2 inch. So that is it. I've slanted it. And we want to open the front side of the neck. So I'm marking 7. Let's use 8. I'm marking 8. That is it. So to bring it down by the clip, I'm marking 3. So this is it. Before we now open that neckline that I said we will open. So this is the measurement now. This is the neck measurement. This is the shoulder measurement. This is the cleavage that I bring it down at the neck side before we now open. And from the shoulder to where we open is 8 that I marked. So that is it. So everything is done now. It's just for us to cut. Because this is the front side anyway. This is the front side cutting. So let me cut it out for you to see. Please watch my channel, watch my video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and watch this video over and over for you to know what is happening here and for you to cut it on your own. It's a fine dress top that we are trying to make here. So just sit and relax and watch it. So I'm cutting from here to get the back neck. So because I will use it to cut the back, that's why I'm cutting it the way you are seeing it here. So this is it. So we're done with the front side now. So just for us to cut the back side now. So I will show you the front side. Look at it. So this is the front side now that we finished cutting. So just for me to lay it at the back side and cut out the back. So this is it. So we lay the back now. The back we have zip. So we put zip. So I'm making the allowance of the zip side. So that is it. This allowance is enough for the zip side now. So it's done. Don't forget, we are making this front side as gathers because I already put that 2.5 inches for the gathers. So what are we doing now? Just for us to fold this side out, because the back side will not look like the front side when cutting. So I've done that. So just for me to cut, so I'm cutting it. So this is it. Remember to subscribe to my channel, watch the video, and do it on your own. So that is it. So yes, this is the back side now. This is the back side of it. So open it like the zip side, and remember to cut the front side of the neck now. So let me just pull out the back side of it, but we are done with the back. It's the front side now that we are still going to cut the neck side. So I'm cutting the neck side now. That one that I've chopped 3, I'm bringing it down before we now open this side of it. So just for you to open, you stop. Yes, so this is it. This is what we are trying to make out of this top. So this is the front side. This is how it will look like. So I will show you what next we will do at the downside. This is the downside we are trying to really bring out from this top that we are making. So I will show you.
So we have come to the end of today's tutorial. Hope you understood every bit of how we came about this style. You can watch it again so that you can make this beautiful style for yourself. Something that you can make and wear on your jean, skirts, and you are good to go. Remember to subscribe, share, and like my videos. Thank you for always watching. See you in my next video.